Namaste, hi and a very warm welcome to Samshrisht Embroidery. Today I am going to share star stitch. I have done this on a sari and this is a very easy and simple stitch. Just mark like this. I am using 3 strands of anchor thread. Put a knot in the thread. From any point you can start. Just leave this one and go to the next one. Take the needle from the previous point. We just left one point. Just go to the previous point. Pull the thread. Now leave this one, this, and go to the next one. Again, stick. Now when you take the needle, just take you just need to take the needle from the left side of this thread, like this, from here, not here, just here, so the shape of the star will be perfect. While doing this, you will get a shape of a star. No need to draw any picture of a star or like this. Just go on doing it. Just leave one and again take it from the left of the thread, like don't take it from here, just from the left. Always remember this so that the shape of the star will be perfect. Now, while finishing, like now you should take it towards your right, like this. Again, leave one. Just take it towards from the left, like this, and bring it to this side, right of it. This is the only thing you have to remember. See, the shape of the star has come. Now again, leaving one, just take it from the left of it and bring it to the right side, like this, here. And you have to fill this. Always turn your fabric accordingly. It's a very easy and simple stitch. See, just take it from the left. You need to take a long thread. Leave this one, take it to the next one. Again go to the previous. Doing the stitch. If this is the condition, you have to change the thread. Don't worry, just put a knot here itself. Okay, the back side, put a knot here. Start continuing from the same point. Like we put a knot here, so we need to take from the previous point to the next one, like this. Always remember this while doing a star stitch. Just leave one point and go to the previous one. Just leave one, take it to the next. Again to the previous. Initially make small stars, so it will be easy for you. While finishing, either you can take the thread and put a knot here. Put a knot here where you just finished. See, the back side will be like this. Now what you need to do is, if you think, you can just place a bead here. That will look very pretty. And put one more stitch in the middle. A small portion, take it and just, okay. Now put a knot, the back side in just the middle, small. See, the star stitch is done. Please do try and provide your comments. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel Samshisht Embroidery. Click on the subscribe button which is available right below this video.